Hello guys, namaste and welcome to our oliveboard YouTube channel and oliveboard platform. This is Vipin Sharma, one of the quant educator at oliveboard. So today I am here with you to discuss about the next episode of winner series. In the winner series or through the winner series, we are discussing mixed questions relating to different chapters. These questions are very much exam oriented and based on the latest patterns. Through these questions we are also going to cover some important concepts also, and we are also providing you the refined tools and techniques and exam oriented approaches, right? So without wasting time, moving ahead. So this is the tier 2 batch, MCQs batch, already running, very important batch. If you are preparing for the tier 2 exam, so this is my personally advice, you must really check it out, this batch. Through this batch you will get upper hand and you will boost your confidence to the next level, right? So I cannot explain in words. This is very much amazing batch, right guys? So you can check it out, you will get many things. Here we go. The first question is on your screen. Please tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. Everyone requested, please like and share the session. Yes, please. Everyone requested, please like and share the session to your friends as well. A shopkeeper marks a book 28% above the cost price. See, a shopkeeper purchased a box and marked the price 20% above the cost price. See, if the cost price, if I assume the cost price of the box is rupees 100. So what is the MRP? So how much shopkeeper marks? So 28% means 100, 28% of 100, 28. So it means the MRP is 128%, right? Above the cost price, and while selling it he offers 25% discount, right? If he is going to offer 25% discount, 25% means what? Discount is what? Discount is 25 means 1 upon 4 of 128, right? So we can say that discount is being offered 4 3s are 12 and 4 2s are, so 32 rupees discount is being offered if the MRP is rupees 128. So in that case we can say that the selling price would be how much? 128 minus 32, 128 minus 32, so it would be equal to how much? It would be equal to 96, right? Yes, if the cost price is 100, selling price is 96. Now tell me, is this the case of profit or loss? So you will say that, sir, this is a case of loss. So here the loss is of 4 unit. Now the question is saying, if the loss is rupees 360, see, if the loss is rupees of 360, then what is the discount offered by him? So we have to compare. So here the loss is 4 unit. If the loss is of 4 unit, in that case how much discount is being offered? So discount being offered is 32 rupees, right? Whereas the actual loss is how much? 360. So we can say that 4 unit is equal to 360. 4 unit is equal to 360. How much time? So we can say that loss is 90 time. So actual loss is 90 time of the unit. So how much discount is being offered? 90 time of 32. So we can say that shopkeeper is offering 32 into 90, 0, 9 to the 18, carry 1, 27 and 1, 28, right? So 2880 rupees. See, 2880 rupee is being offered. So we can say that B part is the right answer. So discount being offered by the shopkeeper is 2880 rupees. So see, this is how we can calculate, right? Is this clear? So moving forward, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, Vishnu, you are very much correct. Yes. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. Sin square theta plus sin square 2x, sin square x plus sin square 2x is equal to 1. Then find the value of tan x by 2 plus cot x by 2. Tan x by 2 plus cot x by 2. Yes, please. So let us understand concept first. What is the concept behind this question, right? Because this is a conditional question. If you do not know the condition, right, so you wouldn't be able to answer this question easily. Otherwise it will take much time, right? So without wasting time, we are going to the concept part. See, what is the concept here? We already know the identities, right? So identity is what? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. We know this is the identity. And what is the important point is the angle is same, right? Theta is same, angle is same in each identity, right? But we have some conditional relation. If angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree. If angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degree, right? So here we are going to use the identity. So we can say that angle B is equal to how much? 90 minus A. You would say yes, you are right. Or we can say angle A is equal to how much? If I say angle A is equal to what? 90 minus angle B. Yes or no? If I ask what is B, so you can write 90 minus A. Now, if I write sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So it is very much correct, because sin square A plus cos square A is an identity, right? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. This is identity, right? Because the angle is same. So now I am putting the value for A, sin square A plus, just substitute the value of A here. So we will get cos square 90 minus B, right, is equal to 1. Or we know that in first quadrant all trigonometric ratios are positive at 90. So name is going to change. So this is equal to sin square B is equal to 1. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion is sin square. When you get sin square, just check the angle. Now the angle is different, right? So we have different angle, right? We have different angle. Or we can also have same angle only in one condition, if A and B are equal to 45 degree, right? So this case is also acceptable, right? So we can say that we have different angles and we have sin. We are not having sin or cos, we are having sin, or we are having cos, right? So that is equal to 1 only and only in one case, when the sum of angle is 90 degree. When the sum of angle is 90 degree, right? Is this clear? So we can say that sin square x, sin square 2x, so angles are different, right? But we have sin square is equal to 1. This is possible only and only when sum of angle is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that x plus 2x must be equal to 90. This is possible only when sum of both angle is 90 degree. I proved this, right? Yes, Krishna. So we can say that 3x is equal to 90 degree. So the value of x is equal to how much? 30 degree, right? So we have to calculate value for tan x by 2. Just put x is equal to 30. So tan 30 by 2, how much? 15 plus cot 30 by 2, right? So now we have to calculate the value for tan 15 degree plus cot 15. This is cot. Cot 15 degree, right? So we must know that I am writing just tan 15 degree is always equal to, the value of tan 50 is 2 minus root 3, and the value of cot 15 degree is, so many students got stuck here only because they don't know what is the value of tan 15 degree. So either you learn or you mug up the value of tan 15 degree, or you can calculate if you know the formula of tan A minus B. So there you can put A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 30 degree. So you can get, if you are doing that, you will get the value for tan 50, but it will consume your, or it will waste your lots of time. So that much of time you are not having in your exam. So it's my personal suggestion, just learn these values: tan 15 degree, cot 15 degree, sin 15 degree, cos 15 degree, sec 15 degree, tan 15 degree, cosec 15 degree, and also for 75 degree. So 15 degree and 75 degree, please learn these values. So because these are going to be very much useful for you, right? Tan 15 degree is what? 2 minus root 3, and cot 15 is 2 plus, so root 3 get cancelled because of positive and negative value. So here we can say that fourth is the right answer. So C Chennai Express is the right answer. Yes, C Chennai Express is the right answer. So moving to next question. Next question belong to algebra part. Next question belong to algebra part. I hope everyone know one thing, right? Same degree transfer, right? We must know the process of same degree transfer. If we have x minus 1 upon x is equal to k, and we have to calculate x plus 1 upon x. See, the degree is same, but the function and inverse function associated sign is different, right? So here the function and inverse function is associated with negative sign, or we can say minus sign, and the result asking for positive sign, right? Function and inverse function. So how we can calculate? So here we can directly use the formula. What is the direct formula? So take the square root of k square, value square, and plus 4, value square plus 4. See, now we have to calculate the value for x plus 1 upon x. So we have x is equal to 1 upon x minus 5, right? So just transfer x is equal to x minus 5. So transfer x minus 5 to the right side. See, transfer x minus 5 to the right side and x minus 5 to the left side and x to the right side. Please transfer x minus 5 to the right side and transfer x to the right side, x minus 5 to the left side. Again, sorry for confusion. Transfer x minus 5 to the left side and x to the right side means x minus 5 is equal to 1 upon x, right? So now transfer 1 upon x to the left side. So x minus 1 upon x, and transfer minus y to the right side. So here we will get x minus 1 upon x is what? 5, right? So now we have x minus 1 upon x is equal to 5. So what is the value of x plus 1 upon x? So that is very much clear. So just use the formula, right? So x plus 1 upon x is equal to root 5 square plus 4. So we can say that root 29 is the right answer. See, root 29 is the right answer. So B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes. Moving forward, now tell me what is the answer of this question. So everyone please share the session to your friends and like the session as well. Yes. See, question is reading, 3 years ago M was thrice as old as N, right? M was thrice. So 3 years ago M was thrice m was thrice as old as n. So we can say that the ratio for m and n 3 years ago is 3:1, right? Or we can say that simply we can say that before 3 years m is of 3x and n is of x year old, right? So what would be their present age? So present age would be 3x plus 3 and x plus 3, right? Now tell me what would be the age 2 years later. 2 years later, or we can say after 2 years. So we can say that this would be 3x plus 5, right? And x plus 5. Just add 2. So the sum of their ages will be 34. So now we are going to take sum of both, right? So question is saying the sum of both is equal to how much? 34. So directly we can say that 4x is equal to 34 minus 10. So x is equal to 24 divided by 4. So we will get 6, right? So x is equal to 6. What is the present age of m? See, the present age of m is this. So we can say that the present age of m is 3x plus 3. So 3 into 6 plus 3, 18 plus 3. So we can say that 21 years is the right answer. The present age of m is 21 years. 21 years is the right answer. Yes, D is the right answer. Very much correct, Vishnu. Very good bache. That's great. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. So this question belong to geometry section, right? This question belong to geometry section. Computer ji, please draw the circle, right? Circle, yes. So we need circle. So this is the circle, right? What the question is saying? Question is saying Mn is a chord and P and Q are 2 points on the circle in the same segment. In the same segment. See, O is the center. Let's O is the center. O is the center. And P and Q are the 2 points. Mn is a chord. Mn is a chord. This is M and this is N. P and Q are the 2 points. Take 2 points in the same segment. So P is here and let's Q is here. Now the question is saying PMN. What is PMN? See, P, M and N. This. PMN is what? PMN is equal to 72 degree. No problem. And PNM is 28. See, PNM is 28. So we can easily calculate the value for MPN because the sum of all angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So applying sum angle property of triangle, right? So we can say that 180 minus sum of 72 plus 28 degree, right? So that is equal to 100. So this angle is going to be 80 degree. Is this clear? Now the question is asking find the measure of MQN. MQN. What is the value of MQN? See, tell me one thing. MQN. MQN. This angle. Now tell me, have you learned this thing? The angle made by a chord in the same segment, right? Angle made by the same chord or same arc in the same segment is always equal. If this is theta, this is also theta. So the chord MN is making the same angle in the same segment, right? At the circumference. So the angle must be equal. So we can say that this angle will also be 80 degree, right? So angle P is equal to angle Q. So we can say that the answer is C part. 80 degree is the right answer. Yes, 80 degree is the right answer. 80 degree is the right answer. 80 degree is the right answer. Moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. When 15% of x is subtracted for 75% of y, then it becomes 30% of x. What is the value of x plus y is to 2x minus y? respectively. Yes, please. Yes, angles made in the same segment are equal. Yes. See, when 15% of x is subtracted from 75% of y, then it becomes 30% of x, right? So just follow the question. Question is saying 15% is subtracted from 75% of y. So we can say that 75% of y is equal to how much? 30% of x plus 15% of x. Is this clear? See, when we are subtracting 75% of, if we are subtracting 15% of x from the 75% of y, so we will get 30% of x, right? So just transferring 15% to the right side, so we will get 30% of x plus 15%. So directly we can write, so we are understanding, if we are understanding this, so directly we can write, or we can say that 75% of y is equal to 45% of x, right? 45% of x. Is this clear? So we can say that by 15% this is cancelled 5 times, by 15% this is cancelled 3 times. So we can say that x upon y is equal to how much? X upon y is equal to 5 by 3, right? X upon y is equal to 5 by 3. So we can say that x upon y is equal to 5 by 3. Is this fine? Yes. Now what is the value of x plus y? So x plus y, just take 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, that is 2 into, what is the value of x? Minus value of c. Just take 5 for x and 3 for y and solve this. So here we will get 8 is to 10 minus 3, that is 7. So 8 is to 7 is the right answer. B Bombay is the right answer. Yes, B Bombay is the right answer. Ramkrishna, you are very much correct. Yes. Very good, very good. So 8 is to 7 is the right answer. 8 is to 7 is the right answer. So this is the exam approach, right? This is the exam approach. So directly you are going to write this. So this is basically from the understanding point of view. If you have good clarity about the concept, so you can directly write it, right? So moving to next, now tell me what is the answer of this question. See, this question belong to time and work concept. This question belong to time and work concept. So here you can directly apply the shortcut. Whenever you are given the timing for two groups, two individuals, whenever you have the total time of two individuals or two groups, right? And you want to get the work done from the together both groups or both individuals, or you want to get the work done of the part of any group, right? So here you can apply the shortcut. So now see, the question is saying Ramesh can complete the same work. So this is a part of a group. So what we are going to do, we are going to just say that time 1 into time 2, and when we are getting work done by a particular part of the group, so in that case we take the difference of time, right? So we can say that T2 minus T1, right? T2 minus T1, or take the mode, right? So we can say that 40 into 2 divided by 40 minus 2, or 2 minus 40, that is 38, right? So by 2 this is cancelled 18, 19 times. 40 minus 19. So 19 2s are 38. 2 by 19, right? So we can say that 2 whole 2 by 19 is the right answer. 2 whole 2 upon 19 is the right answer. B part is the right answer. 2 whole 2 upon 19 is the right answer. 2 whole 2 upon 19 is the right answer. So moving to next question. Now tell me what is the answer of this question. Yes, please. See, there are total 568 students in a school. If number of girls in school are 2/3 more than the number of boys in the school, right? How many girls are there in the school? Tell me how many girls are there in the school. See, if you have understanding of fractions, right? So you can solve it in just single click, right? How? See, a number of girls in a school are 2/3, right? So 2/3. Just understand this fraction, 2/3. What does it mean? So the girls are 2/3 more than number of boys. If I say that the number of boys, base is always, right? So base is denominator. Base is represented by the denominator. If I say that boys are 3 unit, right? If boys are 3 unit, now tell me, if I say that boys are 3 unit, now tell me how many girls are. So what is the amount or what is the quantity for girls? So girls are 2/3, right? 2/3 more means how much more? 2 more. So we can say that girls are 5 unit. So together we can say that total students are 8 unit, right? Total students are 8 unit. Now the question is saying there are 568 students, right? So number of girls. So we have the value for 8 and we have to take the value for 5, right? So we have to take out the value for 5. So 8 is equal to 568. So what is the value for 1 unit? So 8 is equal to 568. So just 568 divided by 8. We will get unit for 1, right? So 8 7 ja 57, 8 1 ja 8. So we can say that the value for girl would be equal to 5 into 71, right? So 5 into 71, 5 1 ja 5 or 5 7 ja 35, right? So we can say that 355 is the right answer. D part is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, 355 is the right answer. Very good, Vishnu. Very good. You are great. Yes, your answer is very much correct. So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, please. See, the population of a town is 12,000. It is increased by 20% in the first year and decreases by 10% in the second year. Find the total population of the town after 2 years. So you can apply here the single chain approach, right? If the population initially is 12,000, right? If any value is increased by 20%, so it will become 120%, right? So this is the basic concept of percentage. So we can say that now the population after first year will become 120%. Is this clear? And there is a decrease of 10%. If there is a decrease of 10%, so the population will become 90%. So we can say that after 2 years the population will become 90%. So you have to calculate this only, right? So just cancel 0 by 0. See, 0 is cancelled by 0, 0 is cancelled by 0, 0 0 cancelled, right? So what we need to do? 120 into 12 into 9. So here we can say that 120 into 12 into 9, how much? 108, right? See, 20 more, 8 more, 160. Last 2 digit must be 60, right? So we have only one option in which last 2 digit is 160. Just checking last 2 digit, we can answer C part is the right answer. Yes, C part is the right answer. Krishna, you are very much correct. Vishnu, very good. Ram Krishna, very good. Very good, guys. Great, amazing. So please come live on daily basis, right? So this is going to be very much helpful to you. You can revise your topics which you have already completed, so you can learn some new concept which you are going to learn, right? So you can have the complete revision of the syllabus or many topics. So very important class, so never miss this class. Now tell me, what is the answer of this question? Yes, please. See, Nishu was moving on cycle with a speed of 21 km per hour. See, Nishu was moving on cycle with a speed of 21 km per hour. Behind him, at a distance of 10 km, Abhi on cycle was moving. See, Nishu is ahead of Abhi, and Abhi is behind of Nishu, right? So what is the distance? Distance is 10 km. So the changing speed is, changing distance is 10 km. So what is the speed of Abhi? That is 41, right? What is the speed of Nishu? 21. So what is the relative speed? So the relative speed is here 20, right? So with the speed of 20, Abhi has to chase 10 divided by 20. So we can say that in half an hour, Abhi will catch the Nishu. So after what time Abhi overtake will Nishu? So we can say that after half an hour, just after half an hour, Abhi will overtake Nishu, right? Yes, please. 1 by 5? No, 1 by 5 is not the right answer. I think 1 by 2 is the right answer. Why 1 by 5? 1 by 2 is the right answer. See, B part is the right answer. 1 by 2 is the right answer. Right? Yes. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? See, the area of a triangle is 216 and its sides are in the ratio. So sides are in the ratio 3, 4 and 5. And we know that 5 square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square. It means these are the triplet. So this is a right angle triangle, right? So this is a right angle triangle. Just seeing on the ratio of side, we can conclude that this is a right angle triangle. So this is 5x and this can be 3x or 4x. So we can interchange the value of perpendicular to base to perpendicular, right? It depends on the focus of study of angle, right? So which angle we are going to take a study, right? So we know that the area of triangle, right angle triangle, is 1 by 2 perpendicular into base, right? So this is going to be equal how much? 216. So we can say that by 2, this is 2 time cancelled. So x square is equal to 36. So x is equal to how much? 6, right? X is equal to 6. The perimeter of the triangle. See, perimeter of the triangle is what? If the sides are 3x, 4x and 5x. So we can say that perimeter is equal to sum of all sides. So that is how much? So this is 12x, right? So the perimeter is 12x. Perimeter is 12x. So we can say that perimeter is equal to 12 into 12x. So 12 into 6, right? So this is 72 centimeter. 72 centimeter is the right answer. D daredevil is the right answer. Yes, D daredevil is the right answer. Okay, no problem. Okay. So we can say that 72 centimeter is the right answer. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? So we know that whenever you look, sec is equal to cosec, right? Whenever you observe, sec is equal to cosec. So you must understand that sec A is equal to cosec B. It means then A plus B must be equal to 90 degree, right? So this is possible only in one case, when the sum of angles is equal to 90 degree. So we can say that 7x plus 28 degree plus 30 degree minus 3x is equal to going to 90 degree. So we can say that 7x minus 3x, 4x is equal to 90 minus 38 plus 28 plus 30, that is 58. So we can say that 4x is equal to how much? X is equal to how much? 8 degree, right? So we can say that x is equal to 8. 8 is the right answer. Yes, we can apply the heroes formulas, but it will take much time, right? If we are going to apply the heroes formula, you can calculate the answer, right? The answer will get, right? You will get the answer, but that is not the exam approach. Using or applying heroes formula is not the right approach for exam, right? You will lose your selection, right? You will waste your time, right? So you must be able to identify the triplet. What are the triplets, right? Yes. Now tell me, what is the answer for this question? Yes, please. What is the answer for this question? See, cos squared 270 degree minus 5. So we know that at odd multiple of 90, name, T ratio name get changed, right? So cos is converted into what? Sine, right? So we can say that sine theta, right? So it is lying in third quadrant, so it is in minus. So take the square of the whole, right? Always. Now minus sine square at 180. So no need to change the name. So name is not changed. So we will get, so in second quadrant sine is positive. So we can say that the value of this is equal to sine square phi, right? Plus for pi, take 180 degree, right? Whenever you see pi in the angle, so take pi is equal to 180 degree. It will become 180 minus 2, 9. Sine 90 is 1. So 1 square 1 into, see. So this is third quadrant. In third quadrant, sine negative. So take negative sign and sine square. So it is getting changed in cos. So cos square theta, right? Is this clear? But see, minus cos theta, phi, minus cos phi, then take square of complete, right? So we can say that this will become sine square phi minus sine square phi or plus cos square phi, right? So sine square cancelled. Directly we can say that cos square phi is the right answer. Directly we can say that cos square phi is the right answer. A part is the right answer. Yes, right? A part is the right answer. Cos square, sine square phi, sine square cancelled. So we can say that cos square phi is the right answer. Is this clear? Right? So moving to next question. Tell me what is the answer for this question. See, the question is saying, if the cost price of 10 pence is equal to selling price of 15 pence, then what is the profit or loss percent incurred? What is the profit or loss percent incurred, right? The 10 pence cost price is equal to selling price of 15 pence. So 10 pence CP is equal to 15 pence SP. Then what is the profit or loss percent? So we can say that CP divided by SP is equal to 15 by 10, right? So profit is what? 5. Sorry, there is a loss, right? Loss of 5. So loss percent is because CP is greater than SP, right? So this is a case of loss. So loss CP. So loss is 5. CP is what? 15 into 100. So by 5 this is cancelled 3 times. So 33.33% is the loss, right? So loss of 33.33, or we can say 100 by 3. See, 100 by 3% loss. not going to take in decimal. So C part is the right answer. Yes, C, Chennai Express is the right answer. Now tell me what is the answer for this question. See, tell me what is the answer for this question. Yes, Vishnu, you are very much correct. See, we have cos 24, 55 degree. So just see, we do not know the value of cos 24 degree. So how we can get the 24 angle? So we can say that we can write 125 as 180 minus 55, right? And we can write 204 as 180 plus 24, right? And we can write 300 as 360 minus 60. So we can say that we can write the complete question as cos 24 degree plus cos 55 degree, and in second quadrant cos is negative, right? So name will not be changed, but we will get negative sign. So cos 55 degree. In the third quadrant cos is also negative, but 180 plus there is no change in name, right? So cos 24 degree, and here we will get plus. So in fourth quadrant cos is positive, and at 360 minus, no change in name, so cos 60. So here we can say that, yes, here we can say that cos 25 get cancelled by the negative cos 24, and cos 55 get cancelled by cos 55 degree. See, cos 24 degree get cancelled by the negative cos 24, cos 55 get cancelled by negative cos 55. So now the answer is cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. So here we can say that B part is the right answer. B part is the right answer. So this is all for today. So this is tier 2 batch already started, already running. If you have quick and thorough revision for the complete syllabus and you want to boost your confidence, so this is the right batch for you. Just go and check it out. In this batch you will get 1500 plus MCQs with 70 plus live classes based on topic wise MCQs, PYQs and MIQs, right? Concept with previous year questions, instant doubt clearing session, mock test with AI power analysis, 100 typing test. So you can check it out, right? And if you have not downloaded the app, so please download the app. This is very much useful for you, right? So this is all for today. And if you can connect us, you can be in touch with us just by joining official Telegram channel oliveboard SSC, right? And if you have any query, any doubt, just send message or on the WhatsApp. So this is our WhatsApp number, right? And if you want to check or if you want to prepare for systematic manner, so you can check our website. Go to our website oliveboard, right? Go to the oliveboard website. You will get this kind of interface, right? So presently there is a offer on the occasion of Children's Day special, right? So there is a 40% off on SSC Superlit or SSC plus Railway Superlit combo, right? So this is very good. So for availing this, you can apply the SPL code, right? So the code is SPL. So this is the umbrella. Under this umbrella you get everything what you need for your exam, right? Whether it is course, whether it is live classes, whether it is guidance, anything, whether it is mock test, you will get everything. So now what you need to do, you need to just check the course section, right? So click the course section. After clicking, you will get such interface. Just roll down. In the fourth column you will get English medium batches, right? So English medium courses SSC plus Railway. So we have score booster MCQs tier 2 going to be start from the 25th of November. See, this is the one of the fresh batch. We are going to start it from the 25th of November only, and we are having running 40 days MCQs back, SSC foundation batch. If you are preparing for the next year's session. So this is very good batch. RRB NTPC for CBT1, CBT2. So these are the batches you can join. So this is all for today. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. Stay in tune with us. Thank you guys. Jai Hind.